Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset your automatic comfort way of your window control center. First step is if you unplug the battery, you have to reset that. It's really easy. Close your window on the left side and keep pushing about 2 seconds. Then open the window. Keep pushing another 2 seconds. Job's done. That it is. Now it is reset and you have the comfort function enabled again, as you can see. Only close it, hold for 2 more seconds, then open the window, hold it for more 2 seconds. Job's done. Reset is accomplished. Job's done. Easy as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.